Hey, I tried my first attempt at a guitar neck and I made a couple little mistakes when I was sanding it down, trying to get an offset in the headstock here, and I bumped into where the fretboard's gonna go, and I just didn't like it. I also need to get a longer flush trim bit. So that's on the way, and we're getting rid of this, use it for a burn pile, whatever. But this one, recutting it and redoing it, got the truss rod routed out, and these are all the tools that I think I need to get this thing going. So I got a couple guitar neck templates, blah blah blah, the neck and the fretboard, fret sanding tool device, 12-inch radius, neck shaping tool. This is also to check the fret radius, fretboard radius. Little arbor here to press the frets down onto the fretboard. I also got these brass pieces. This one's a 12-inch radius, which I'll be using. I got a package of frets. First time I'm doing this. I also bought some CA glue, which I've never used before. And upon further reading, I think I'm gonna need I should buy some accelerator for it. So, special tool to router out the end of the truss rod. So, a bunch of steps on the guitar neck. I've already canned one, starting on the second version. All right. Okay, time to take the neck, trim it up, and basically I bought two special bits for that. These are flush trim bits, 2-inch, I think that one's 2.5, something like that. They're pretty monstrous, but this one will be perfect. Right along the edge, shibbly doop. I can get it done. So next thing I'm gonna do is set up my router table for that and do it. All right, now got the edges routed out. Let's see if we can get this top off of here and get a better look. Oh, by the way, I just use this kind of double-sided sticky tape. I've tried others. Half the time I can't get the backing tape off, half the time it's too sticky for the product. You end up breaking stuff, so that's just what I use. And I use this little scraper, taping knife, if you will. And it's a little bit of work, but she'll come up. Maybe. There it is. Okay. Bingo. There's that. So I got this down. You can see a little bit of an edge here. That's on the back side. Like I said before, I still got to take some off of this and off the back side here. So that's what I'm going to do next. Scrape off the little doo-doo residue. Let's do it.